is never possible. It can never happen. What are you talking about? No, you shouldn't tell me that. You shouldn't tell me that. Do you know what you're talking? Over my dead body. Over my dead body. Without following you go Abuja. I say what now? Your toy? Eh? That I should abandon my business. Business that saw you through school. I should abandon it and follow you go Abuja. Wait. So you have started Sugar Daddy's business? Akoya? You have started it. How can a woman or student who lives from her house in Lagos go to Abuja for her NYSC and come back with a brand new car and accommodation, and you say it's your company that give it to you?
Tony, you are shouting.
I'm shouting?
Yes. Why are you shouting? Some of the neighbors will start thinking that there's a mad person in this house.
So I'm a madman now. Now I'm a madman.
Oga, if you're not following me to Abuja, then don't worry. I will not force you. I will quietly leave with my son.
Over my dead body. Over my dead body. If I catch your hand on my son, for no reason you shouldn't touch my son. Don't touch him. Listen, you know what? Since you have decided to be an enemy of progress, no problem. But if I catch your leg, leave this house, say you're going to Abuja, just consider this marriage over.
Hey, Akabole, little psycho. Which marriage? Which marriage? Make I hear what? This one that is feeding from hand to mouth, talking about marriage. Open your chest, some marriage. Which marriage? Follow me to Abuja, let me help your life and not some marriage. Ha! I better go. Open your chest, what nonsense. You want to help your poor life. Come, let me take care of this place. He said, no. You're forming to Jazzy. Stay now.
Stella!
Tony!
Stella!
Tony!
Stella!
Tony! Pretty sure you remember Tawanaki. What kind of nonsense is this one? Somebody wants to help your life. You're here, you're forming. You're forming. One that you don't have. Ha!
Yes, I have been calling you.
Nothing, I'm fine. What about Delight?
Delight is fine. He's doing very well. As I speak to you, he's asleep now. What is that sound?
I don't know. Me, I'm in the house. I think she'll be coming from the neighborhood.
In the neighborhood? The noise is too close. It's very clear by this time of the night. And you ought to be in bed.
Oh, okay. I was actually reading my bed when you called.
I hope you're okay.
Just like love. I'm gonna mess up with myself. What do I do now? I'll just go in there and tell Tina that I'm leaving this place. I don't have a problem.
It's alright. They call me CUBANA. CUBANA dollars. The money maker. The money rain maker. What's your beautiful name?
Stella.
Stella. Well, I don't know what the problem might be, but Virus. Yes, boss. Let me see if I can at least polish the day a little.
We need to ask her some questions.
Exactly. Go ahead and ask your questions.
But Susan, my name is Stella. Or whatever. You are a married woman. You have a child. So tell me, how will this work? Tell me.
Please answer the simple question, you married woman.
We have talked about this before. Don't make her feel like this. I don't like it. So, what do you ladies say?
Well, I have accepted.
Good, that's my God. Thank you. Glow, baby. What'd you say?
Well, since you girls want her in our circle, who am I to say no?
Yeah, you don't have a choice.
That's it. You don't have a choice.
First of all, she has to change her local attire.
Yes, you need to repackage.
What's like this? Change your hair, change your shoes. And you have to speak very well.
Go, I don't understand.
And you make a good hair, you know.
It's all of that. You ladies are the real MVP.
Oh, you can say that again. Cheers.
Thank you.
Yeah. Congrats.
Congratulations, my God.
Young lady.
Sir?
Huh? What did you say?
Sorry, wise one. She's new amongst us. Forgive her. Sorry, wise one.
It's alright. Meanwhile, you're welcome to the shrine of life and death. This shrine you see is referred to as life and death because it has a tradition. The life aspect of this tradition is because I, Ogwejofo, will wash your mouth, your tongue, that whatever you will say, no man will say no. Whatever you request, nobody will turn you down. They must grant your request. I will also give you a sacred cream which we will apply all over your body after bath. Especially when you have a date with a man that could lead to sex. So you apply it all over your body, including your breast and even your private part. With this, No man could use you for any sort of ritual because you are automatically a ritualist. And with this, your money booms. You can make millions within a period of 1 month. Now, the death aspect of this shrine is that the substance I'll give to you, you should not let it touch ground. Because immediately it touches ground, something disastrous will happen to you. You see these young ladies? They all came like you sometime last year. And right now, they are potential millionaires. So very soon after this ritual, fortification ritual, you will join them. Now, let me tell you for the last time, after this fortification ritual, the first man you will meet, the money he will give to you, out of the bunch, bring 1,000 naira to this shrine. Do you hear that?
Yes. Yes, my son.
Now, are you ready for the task ahead?
Yes.
Step forward. Kneel down. Here it ends, sir. Here no bekene. Nkete na mena nkete. Odo. Igrigo. Welcome more. Now, this is the substance. Use it as you were directed. Remember, don't let it touch ground. Gracias.